Hi guys, welcome to this Microsoft Excel course. Through this course, I will be creating a number of different videos talking through different elements of Excel, how you might use it, how you might use different functions, and so forth. However, in this video, I'm going to give you a very brief introduction to Excel and some of the terminology that you might find useful to know. So when you open Microsoft Excel, you will be presented with a welcome screen, which will have a number of different options for you to select. From down the side here, recent spreadsheet that you have opened, an option to select another workbook in your computer, and a number of different freely available templates. The templates you typically find here are everything and anything from budget. There is a personal monthly budget. There is a household monthly budget, through to things like to-do lists and Gantt charts. If there is a particular type of template that you would like, for example, if you would like a different type of budget template, you can search for it in this bar at the top here, and will search literally thousands of online templates, and you can pick something that's potentially sweet for you. So you might want a personal budget and will come back up with a whole different range of options. However, for the most part, most people want to use Excel to manage their own data. And to get the best out of Excel, you are probably best off to starting with a blank workbook. So when you come into your blank workbook, there is a couple of different terms that is probably useful to know. Excel is arranged as within series of worksheets, so that this sheet at the bottom, so you can add more sheets. See if sheet 1, sheet 2, and you can rename this as you see fit. And they all combine together to make up a workbook, which is essentially your Excel spreadsheet. In each worksheet you have your columns, which are all layered so it goes from A to Z, and then starting again an AA, AB, and will go all the way down, well XFD apparently. And then you have got your rows, which are all numbers, and they go all the way down to well over 1,000,000. Now at the intersection of every row and column you have a cell, and every cell in Excel has a name. So for example, column M row 15 is called M15, and you can see the name up here, in this little box in the top left hand corner. Excel is also arranged into series of tabs. From the Home tab, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Obviously also a Help tab. And each of these tabs then opens up what is called a ribbon. And the ribbon has a number of different groups in it. And because there are so many different options in Excel in terms of what you can do with your spreadsheet, many of these groups also have this little pop-up button in the bottom corner, and this will open up further options. So for example, if you go into the front, it will open a whole other different load of options for your font. So that is the general layout of the tabs and the ribbon in Excel. Another thing that's probably useful to know is down the bottom right hand corner. Here there is a little slider that allows you to zoom in and zoom out. You can also click in this little percentage box and actually select the level of the zoom that you want you to go to. Obviously, through the videos on this course, I will be looking into more details on all of the different options that are available in your ribbon and throughout Excel in general. I hope that you find this introductory video really useful, and I see you guys in the next video.